this new AI tool called ChatGPT for the last 3 or 4 days or so. At first I had my doubts, but after these few days playing with it, I've been seriously impressed with what it can do. And today in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 legit ways that you can make money online using this ChatGPT tool. Everybody's talking about this tool right now, so I'm pretty sure you've heard about it before, but if you haven't, what it is, it's an AI chat tool created by a company called OpenAI, which is an Elon Musk company. And what you can do is you can give it a command or ask it a question, and it comes back with an answer. And these are legitimately good answers. It's not those trashy canned responses that you might be used to from previous AI tools. It comes back with good, solid answers to the questions and commands that you give it. And so if you watch this video and use this ChatGPT tool the way that I share with you today, it can take 80 to 90% of the upfront work off of your plate and help you make money a lot faster. The key to making this work is feeding it the right inputs. It still is a tool. You still need to tell it what to do. And so I'm going to share with you what those inputs should be and how to use this tool.